Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. We apologize. Let's just dive right into it because traders, it's 3 o'clock. You guys can get into trading. Let's just call it like it is, dude. You can make excuses all day long, but this was just a real deal. Who freaking knows what's going on with our streaming service? So shout out to Restream for all of the issues today. Chat, maybe spam Restream's inbox and tell them you are screwing up our showtime today. Crusader, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm unsubscribed to Restream. Fuck them.
I'm currently unsubscribing. Guys, maybe midway through the show we
issue.
might get booted because we unsubscribed. We are pissed. Okay.
Yes.
Smash the like if you haven't already. Make sure that you're subscribed. Follow all the creators that we're bringing up. Shout out to MarketSite for 20% off in the link down below. Don't be stupid. Use high IQ. And then we've got ZoomX, who's been a great partner that provided all the liquidity, all the traders. Crusader, you want to hit real quick the trading rules?
Yep. Don't trade anything below $1 billion. That's right. That's 1 billion with a B. Nothing lower than that for the traders on the show. Everybody in the audience right now competing for the $1,000 can trade absolutely anything. And today is the beginning of the last week for Trading Wars. It is Team Crusader's last stand here to be able to hold out for the win. And then Team
2%.
Keeper on Thursday.
2%.
All it takes, baby. It doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. A win's a win.
Yeah, that's right, Vin Diesel. You're right. So let's pull up your cronies here. Here's the first one. Army Piper, what's up, brother?
What's up, man? How you guys doing, bro?
Good. Living the dream. Crusader, can you even pull them up, or do I need to do it?
I think I can pull up. Up next, we got Magic in the house. What's going on, man?
What up? I'm doing the least logical thing you guys thought I would do, and I just marketed into a trade right at 3 o'clock.
Somebody clip that.
Let's
go.
Somebody clip that.
I know. Premature.
Up next, we got the trigger man, Evan Aldo. What's going on, man?
Going on a little bit of technical difficulties with Restream, but I got to work on the phone. So
Awesome, dude. Awesome. And last but not least, the bullish trader. What's going on, man?
Yeah, can you guys hear me or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, finally. Damn. Let's go.
It did it for half of us, and then half of us were just like in here chilling, good to go, trying to figure out why you guys were late. But you know, all right, you guys are good to trade. Crusader, your team is up 2% right now. You got the full team here.
Yo.
You're only up 2%, so you better tell these homies what. I mean, we're gonna bring the heat on Wednesday. Oh, shout out to everybody. Wednesday for Trading Wars this week, because Thursday I'm going to be flying out to Miami. We're going to be doing some live stuff, planning on doing a flipper hodl live from Miami, from the mansion down there. So excited about that. So yeah, just keep paying attention to Twitter, guys. If you're not following us on Twitter, make sure to follow us there. Crypto Wars OG. I'll pull that up real quick while you guys are looking at your trading opportunities there right here. If you're not following, boom. Right here, Crypto Wars OG. Follow us there. We'll keep you guys updated as to what is going on. Or you can jump over into the Discord. Let me pull up the Discord QR code. Maybe.
I don't got any access. I don't got access to any other.
Yeah, not looking good for the home team on that one either. So never mind. I won't be pulling up the QR code.
Can you not find them, or they're not there?
Well, I don't see. I know where they're at. I can see that. Here we go. Hold on a second. Let me see if it's going to work. I can see it, but not the actual logo. Let's try this. That work? Because I don't see it on the screen right now.
It's on the screen, but there's no actual QR code. I don't know what the hell's going on.
I see a QR code.
You saw it?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah. Jump into our Discord if you are not already in there. Oh boy, and the NFTs. Can you see that one, gentlemen?
Yep.
Okay, cool. NFTs, 0.1 Ethereum. If you get mine or Crusaders or the winning trader, you get to come on to Flipper Hodl. The next play.
Well, somebody already has mine. Whoever has mine, jump into the Discord and reach out to us so we can start planning to get you on a show on Flipper Hodl, because somebody already
The
owns
QR code isn't up for it though.
It's not. I can see it. That's weird.
I see it.
It comes out in the chat though as a link, so they can see the link there.
Okay. All right. Well, click the link if you guys want to do that. Like I said, the winning trader is going to be also offering some stuff. Like Army's doing a one-on-one, a month free of Chart Prime.
But you got to be holding them. So
yeah, you got to hold the NFT.
The winning trader, you're not going to get nothing.
That's right. And we're not going to tell you who the winning trader is until after we know who the winning trader is. So We don't know right now. It's close. It is close. So we shall see. All right. So Magic, you jumped into a long. You said you marketed in. Yeah.
I think he's shorting. I don't think he'd be
Short
long
it.
right now.
Short. Yeah, we're not long right now.
Not longing from 42 up to 50. No.
No.
You scared,
we'll go
bro?
to- No, this was just the high time frame target, just going box to box.
I'm just kidding, bro. What is it?
So, yeah, these are actually old averages of price from prior quarters and 6-month sessions. So this was naturally the next target for us if we broke out above the previous week high at 38,450 in that 39K area. So just trying to play the high time frame levels. It may stop me out. It may not. I'm not really risking much on it. There's only about $100 in the position right now. So kind of one of those things
Dude,
where
it's the last show. Get strong, bro. Just either believe in the trade or don't. That's what
oh man, listen to you. Listen to you talk all that shit. Yeah, no. I mean, I don't want to get liquidated like some people on other people's teams. So I'm gonna keep playing a little bit of risk management.
Team liquidation. Team liquid.
You're 2 for 2 on the team liquidations back-to-back seasons. So
Whoops.
Touche. Yes, you're a savage on Twitter, and now you're a savage on the show.
I mean, you started it, bro. You wanted it. You got the vest on, I thought.
That's
I
right. I can take it. I can take it. We definitely have had some issues as it relates to one of the liquidations was from drinking and trading. That's just dumb. He knows it. The other one was trading and forgetting the trade was open with no stop loss, which is stupid as well. But
that's a thing too.
That's a thing too. It ended up in the same result either way. But we'll bust some ball. Evan. Look at Evan coming in. Evan coming in hot from his computer. He's finally here, not on his phone. Can we hear him? Can we hear him?
He's muted right now.
He's
muted. Got to get something up on that TV back there, bro.
Only took about a half hour, so we got that. Yeah.
We are in there like swimwear.
We'll get the TV going.
I'm
going to trade too, or I'm trying to limit it into a trade here.
I'm thinking about jumping into an ETH.
Yeah, I'm in an ETH long. That's what I'm in.
Triggerman's in an ETH long. You want to show us, Evan?
Give me 1 second. Let me just.
He's like, let me get caught up here because I've been on my phone and trying to trade and figuring out what's going on technically here. I get it.
Okay. So, you should be able to. Where is it? Okay. So we could see. We're down $6, nothing too bad. I put about 8K worth, so nothing too crazy. Got to set a stop loss. I'm not gonna reveal that just yet, but ultimately on ETH, I like the 10-minute money flow crossover. I do like, it does seem like you could see a bit more continuation here, potentially up to 22.37. If we look at also the hourly, looks really good for next few hours here. Trigger wave right there could bring us all the way back up to 22.50 potentially. We're in a very bullish environment. I don't know. We'll see what happens over the next hour, but I think most likely what we could see here, especially on the 1 minute, is another trigger wave bring us up. This one brought us up. This one brought us up. So generally, I mean, that one right there up to this point, that one right there, nice jump up. That right there, this jump up. So if we repeat history here, and I'm not too concerned if we test this, and then we get a jump off of that. That's what I'm kind of hoping for here. So yeah.
Okay. Kind of a little repeat of the histories. I like it. Hey, 913 man, shout out to you for the funny chat here. Says drunk trading wars would bring in a lot of people.
That's right.
This guy getting everybody
basically, yeah. So no, everybody comes in with like I don't know, either shots lined up or like a really heavily mixed drink, and every time you market. Every time you get in or out of a position, we do like multiples of $10.
Every percent that your trade goes up or down, you gotta take a shot.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
On 100x leverage. You just be chugging the whole
Hey,
time.
I'm already sitting here with the red solo cup, so I'm just saying.
Oh,
hey man. Come on. I'm up 1% on my ETH short, baby. Let's go. Come on, drop, baby.
So what do we think, gents? I know you guys are obviously all looking to get into trades or currently into trades. Are we thinking the bull market is here while you guys are kind of scanning through some trades? Who has thoughts on that?
Well, I actually talked about that on my stream. I streamed earlier today in the morning we're up 166%. This has to be the largest bull trap ever if the bull market is that bad.
Greatest bull trap ever seen, right? And that's the quote.
Hashtag crypto savvy. Love the guy.
Now that's a capo quote, but I think Savvy's on that train too.
He thinks
I've been following
does he
Savvy.
actually believe that?
No, I've been following Savvy since like 2019.
Does he believe that?
Yeah, he believes that. He's working off a high time frame Elliott wave count by Robert Prechter and a old market cycle from the .com crash fractal, which I'm not a huge fan of. So I don't really care for fractal trading too much. But yeah,
gotcha.
I
Is he
think
still
you got to
saying
do.
3K?
He's still saying that it's going to happen eventually. Sub
3K.
Yeah,
He's been saying 3K since September of 2020. The guy is obsessed with 3K. I've never seen someone so obsessed with 3K in my life.
Is he obsessed enough to take a massive bet on it?
No,
because
that's the thing, is he's not actually trading this, in my opinion. And if he is, he's getting stopped out over and over again, which is just absolutely ridiculous. I don't know. It's one of those things where he's in love with an idea, and I don't know. You can't trade those ideas sometimes, you know.
Mr. J said we could super chat and make them take shots.
Oh,
I mean,
that's not a bad idea.
It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon here. I'd prefer we just move the show to 10 a.m. like you guys suggested.
So that you can start taking shots at 10 a.m.
Just ruin my day.
He's
right
like, hey,
out
listen, I start my day off a little bit differently. Can we get it going earlier? Come on now. We don't start at 3. We start at 10. Yeah, Crypto Fam, smash the likes if you haven't already. Make sure you're following all of the creators on here that are working hard to have some fun for you guys. Reminder to everyone, this is intentionally difficult. We want you guys to learn something while at the same time having some fun with it. If you guys want to trade against the traders, somebody won $1,000 last month. I'm sure somebody's going to win $1,000 this month. Use our link that is down below the video. This month has been really rough. So
it's been rough. Today's gonna be a good one. Today's
it really wouldn't take hardly anything to win the $1,000 at this point, because it's just been so rough on all the trades. Let's just call it what it is, right? Like
just one profitable trade. That's what you guys think.
A really big profitable trade will take the $1,000. Yeah, that's right.
YOLO it is.
So there's one more thing I wanted to say. Oh, super chats. Every dollar that you guys give on super chats, it's a way you can support the stream, obviously, but that also is going to get you on the wheel for Flip or Hodl. If you haven't seen the game, it's a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire that we got going on. So if you guys want to jump on the wheel, there's only like 10 names on the wheel right now. So just throwing it out there.
I'm not worried about it.
$2,900.
Our audience isn't sending in super chats for that because they're loaded, bro.
Because they're loaded. Our audience is loaded.
They got all the money they need, and they're like, I don't need to get on those stinking Flip or Hodl to win $300, $800. I don't need that.
300, 800. They can win 2,900 at this point.
It's a big gap. 300, 800.
We played this morning, and I told Crusader that I wanted to keep it. And then I gave him the opportunity to try to, basically pick a number between 1 and 20 and get within 5 of it. And then he could pick whether he wanted to keep it or trade it off. And he won. He picked 12, and I had the number 15 written down. And I flipped it around, and he's like, "Okay, I'm changing it." And he always keeps it. I was picking to keep it. And instead of $15, or instead of what was it, $950? I had $950. I was trying to say keep it. It was $950 in our case, and he ended up with $15 instead of $950. Woo! Crypto Billy, $10 super chat. Thank you, Billy, for the super chat, brother. He is in. Crypto Billy's supporting the channel as always. Appreciate you, Billy.
Crypto Billy wants another shot at that wheel, bro. He won the $35, $38 from the last game.
He did win.
He wants another shot.
Yeah. When are we going to pick? So when are we going to pick? Somebody just asked, when are we going to pick the next person coming on?
Well, depends. When are we going to get enough super chats?
We want to we'd like to do it live from Miami this week on Friday.
We can do it. We can do it this Wednesday or this Thursday.
Or Thursday.
Wednesday or Thursday. And then get already knowing that, we are probably going to do the show this Friday.
Look at Army tossing the $20 super chat. Says give spots to the first 5 people that say knowledge is profit. So Mr. J is getting 5 spots. Let's see how fast these people get these in.
Oh, Billy got in there. Knowledge is profit, baby.
Billy got 5 more. Okay. Who else?
Hold on. Now Alex O Crypto sending in 5, I believe, Canadian dollars.
Okay.
Those Californian dollars.
Californian dollars.
It just says CA.
Oh, Canadian, I think was showing as that. Yeah. All right.
Cryptoholic Love 35, another $10 super chat says, I'm in, baby. Let's go.
All right.
10 times on the wheel.
Got him.
We got Green Day Profit says, knowledge is profit. CZ Crypto, Cryptoholic, Crypto Gamer. You getting them all?
CZ
Well, it's the first
Profit.
5 people. So
Yeah. No, I got you. That's what I was doing.
Mr.
I got
J, Crypto Billy, Green Day Profit, CZ Crypto, and then Cryptoholic Love 35.
Okay, cool. Got him. Yep.
Let's go.
Cool. Got him on the wheel. Yeah, let's plan on doing that either Wednesday or Thursday. And yeah, we'll rock it out, dude. It'll be fun. I want somebody to win a big chunk of freaking money. So far, it's just been unlucky the first couple times.
Yeah. You know what I also want? I want Team Crusader to take this win on season 2, baby. Let's go.
If you beat me 2 seasons in a row, I'm going to feel kind of salty about it.
All right, let's talk about some trades. Who's trading what? What are we doing here? I jumped out of my ETH short, 2% in profit.
Jumped out. Hold on a second. You took profits at 2%. I want to pat you on the back because I've never seen you do that.
Because when we're trading live on the show,
let's take a moment and
we don't usually do scalp trades. We try to play a longer plays, and you want me to take profit every 1%.
Congratulations, brother. I'm very proud of you. That is awesome. Look at you growing up. Crusader making money. I like it. Well, Army, what are you doing?
It's nothing compared to all the money I've lost.
I'm setting up I'm looking for a long entry on Caspa here. So
you're looking for a long entry on Caspa.
Yep.
Let's talk about Caspa real quick. Bro, people are extremely bullish about Caspa, but it's extremely high market cap right now. It's like 2-point-something billion, right? It's like number 19 or something.
It's number 27. Number 27.
Go Ninja. Thank you for the super chat. I got you on the wheel. Thank you.
Super chat.
Super chat.
How high do you think we're gonna hit? Caspa can actually take this market cap.
So according to a good buddy of mine,
according to a guy I know,
my neighbor told me
that literally breaks down tokenomics and doxes and vets entire development teams and everything. He thinks that Caspa moves to the top 10 in this bull run.
What?
And 30x's. Yes.
From where it's at right now?
From currently where it's at.
Yes, from its current position right now. Yes.
It's possible. Yeah. I mean, a lot of stuff.
What's Caspa at?
It's like 2-point-something billion.
Let me look. I'll pull it up.
What is it? Is it K or C?
KASPA. Yep.
Yeah.
KASPA.
It's gone. Yeah, it's gone from the 217th position on CoinMarketCap to the 27th, and it's still not listed on any major exchange.
It's at 3.12 billion.
What's the ticker?
KAS. CAS.
14 cents.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I'm holding a bag of about 15 grand of worth of this, and it's done like 125% returns for me so far. So
30x from here. So go all in. Is that what he's saying?
Not NFA, not financial advice.
You heard it here first. Army Piper said he's got financial advice. Sell your home, sell all your belongings to go in on Caspa. It's 30x from here.
Lease out your children to a sweatshop. Yep, all that.
Oh my!
All right, well, let's keep going with the trades here. Yeah, I'm glad I jumped out of that ETH short. It's coming back up now.
Yeah, that's what Evan was making. Is going to be making some money on, I think.
I'm down slightly on the ETH long, but I'm confident on it. I also just entered a new long on Avalanche right now, and I could go ahead and show you that.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Yeah, that's up right now. So going on Avalanche, nothing too crazy. Got a 5K position. And what I like here is we look like we're breaking out on the 6-minute out of this kind of reverse head and shoulder pattern, which could easily bring us up to around 2220, this pocket right here, which I think is more likely than not. And you look at, some money flow and dollar size coming up on a lot of these time frames, a lot of these lower time frames, such as 3-minute money flow looking pretty good. A lot of indications of potential continuation. Trigger wave confirmed on the hourly. So, will it hit that point within the next 40 minutes? I don't know, but by the end of the next few days, I think there's a really good shot. Short term, I still am bullish. I most likely think I should be able to close out this in the green by the end of the show.
Let's go. That's what I like to hear, baby.
Yeah.
That's all we need. We need green trades, baby. Green trades, and Team Keeper can't keep up.
Well, I'm
But
in a
it's
green
greed,
trade.
though. I may keep it in. They're not going to close.
I'm in a green trade right now.
What are you doing, Army? Show it to me.
My cast belong. I'm in it.
Let's go.
Do you limit in and it filled?
Nope, I ordered in, marketed in.
So I marketed
go.
in, and I am
2.6%.
$7.91, baby. What kind of a trade
That's
you got
right.
going on there? How much?
25x leverage with
$2,500.
25x leverage with total of $300.
Yes, sir. $7,500 on the line. Let's see what happens there. What were you looking at on that, Army? You want to give us a little analysis?
Yeah. So we had a little pullback here off of the trend assistant here. That's this red line coming up right there. And then we also were pulling back down below the point of control. I was watching for us to catch support on the dynamic reactor here from Chart Prime. And then I saw it hit resistance. And right now we are in it. So I'm going for it on an entry right in this area right here off of the dynamic reactor. Plus, we started to get flat on the RSI Prime and getting a little curvature on our oscillator. So things were looking good for me. Plus, we printed that ever famous MVP green candle there, which is an indicator for bottoming on local price action on our MVP oscillator. So this is all from
So we got
Chart
lots of
Prime.
confluence.
Lots of confluence from Chart Prime here. So
Nice.
Casper only goes up and to the right, bro. You can only long Casper, never short it.
well, yeah. Plus that fundamental that fundamental analysis, Caspa typically goes up and to the right. So
Hey, Crusader, King D wants to know what trading strategies you like to use.
I use a lot of prayer.
A lot of not listening to Keeper when he tells you to take profits.
I use a lot of prayer, hopes, and dreams. They don't
Not
always
listening to
work
Keeper,
out.
for
But
sure.
sometimes they do. I've hit a few trades that went up like $700, never profited, never cashed them out. But at least they happen. There you go. ETH is pumping now. Back to the VWAP.
And as he works on prayers, I go on feelings. So that's definitely a good strategy with trading. I'm feeling it. It's going this direction. There it is, and then I'm in. 100x long on feelings, baby.
I do have. I'll show my screen here.
I know.
Just to give a few shout outs here. Shout out to Leading Crypto. I am in their Discord. I have learned the little bit that I know of TI. I have learned from them, right? Using fibs, using previous week ranges, picking out the different levels, all this kind of stuff. I do use some market ciphers to see some momentum, and also use the Chart Prime oscillator to see some reversals when they're happening, and some open interest. So this is what I use for confluence to figure out.
it's a nice downtrend there.
Hitting resistance. Yeah. So that's what I use. That's my strategy.
Watch out though, you are starting to get that little ribbon twist there too on that oscillator, on the Chart Prime oscillator, which means you got some more downside possibly flipping there.
Yeah, on the 15-minute for Bitcoin. Yep. But so far, that golden pocket's been holding.
Bullish, what you got going on, brother?
So, unfortunately, I hit the wrong button here, but we're not too bad. I meant to short Bitcoin, but I bought a fucking long.
They're spelled differently, Bullish. Short.
How's that working out for you?
I hit the wrong
Not
button.
bad. I'm only down like $5 because where I hit it, like my limit didn't hit, so like I got like really sweaty, and I went to market, but when I swapped to market and I typed in value, I went and actually hit sell short on accident, or buy long instead of sell short. But we're only down like 1%. I mean, I like it. Like, if we look at RSI, mid-tier RSI is kind of where Bitcoin's been bouncing for the last couple hours. So I'm hoping we bounce off this RSI. Right, it looks like it's right around like 35. I hope we take a bounce back. Maybe it's around the 65, 70 RSI peak. Maybe break over, maybe not. But I don't know. You got MACD kind of curling right now wanting to curl to the upside. So we'll see what happens. I'm not liking how we're now back under the 10, 20 EMA. Kind of scary, but we could have a breakout. We'll see. We're not down bad. We're down 0.5% right now.
Okay.
Hey, Bitcoin's trying to pump. Bitcoin's trying to move up. So is ETH. ETH is trying to get over that VWAP right
Alex O Crypto says, how the heck do you trade at this time? Well, Alex, that's part of the fun, right? We put the traders in really bad positions. We tell them they have to trade while on stream and see what they can, let them figure it out from there. If
Hey, bring up that.
ETH is popping.
Bring up that
Bitcoin's
chart.
popping. Let's go.
Army, what you want me to pull up?
Ooh,
Oh,
ETH is
up-
popping hard. Evan,
up-
I know
up
Evan's
almost
making profit right
11%.
now.
Yeah.
Now we're green.
Yeah,
Let's
Now
go.
we're green.
Evan calling a good trade here. What do you got going on, Evan? How
Yeah,
how
big
big
I
are you
did
looking?
not any crazy positions, but
Okay.
we're ahead on ETH, $8 ahead on Avalanche, so we're doing pretty well. I'll
Let's
take
go,
you over to
baby.
the chart right here. Chart's looking pretty good, especially on the 1 minute. That nice bounce, got a trend reversal on the 1 minute. Last time you had that, we had 3 of these, and you jumped up. I think you also had, the hourly. We're getting closer to, getting closer 30 minutes to confirm that. That's going to confirm at the end of the show when we have to, tally up how much we made.
Mhm.
So,
it would have been nice if I would have got your totals at the start. That would have been smart.
Oh, okay. Let's
We
see.
had so many technical difficulties going on.
Oh,
that,
I could just minus. I
Yeah.
could just subtract what I'm at
Mine
right
was-
now.
Tell me where you
Mine
guys
was
are at.
1,057.
Army
Um,
1,057. Okay.
I had 1814.
Bullish was at 1814. Okay.
Let's see.
ETH wants to pop here. Come on.
4 minus.
Come on, Bitcoin.
Magic, what were you at?
30.
Muted. Let me take a look. I think it was 959 is what I put in the.
Oh, you know what? I could have looked at last week. I could have just looked at last week's.
Well,
Well, no, I couldn't
really-
because they could have traded outside of the stream.
Yeah,
Ooh,
959 is where I was at.
959. Okay.
Yeah.
Are me and Piper the only ones up this season?
From trading outside the show?
Trading
Yeah.
outside the no.
There was a few
Forrest.
people. Who else was up?
Forrest.
Oh, yeah. Forrest was up. He was up significantly.
Oh yeah, Force is up. That's right.
I made about
Honest
2
was up.
I made about 2 something trading outside the show. I moved it over to the funding account though.
I'm gonna say I've removed everything that I've used if I did any trading.
I started with 977, guys. I
977.
figured it out.
Okay. Cool.
Nice. Perfect.
He was over there
Well,
doing nuclear.
Team Crusader,
equations.
as a coach here, even though I suck at trading, I'm just going to say it's been a rough season. We need to lock in some profits and make sure we get some green trades because I don't think Team Keeper is going to have a single green trade on Thursday. Or I should
Well,
say
of course
Wednesday.
not on Thursday because
On
we're not
Wednesday.
trading on Thursday. But look at you trying to throw people off. Trying
Just
to throw.
saying.
Hey, I want to throw out there, Alex O Crypto. I think we sent Alex a message
Yeah.
on
He replied.
Twitter. Did he reply?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, no. ETH is coming down like a heart attack
I did not see that reply, so wanted to shout out
Yeah.
to him. Okay.
because you're never on Twitter. bro.
You guys are leaving Thursday for Miami.
I'll be there. Yeah, I leave at like 6 o'clock in the morning or something like
I
that.
left since yesterday.
Okay, well we're driving over tomorrow.
Okay.
Awesome.
Cool.
And I'll be in Orlando on Thursday.
Evan just walks out and gets in his car. He'll be there because he lives
I
there.
physically
Crusader,
probably
same thing.
I could walk there. Wait, no, is it? Where is our Basil again? I should know this.
I honestly don't know because
It's on the strip. I'm pretty sure it's on the strip this year.
In South Beach?
Yeah.
Oh,
I gotta
okay,
look.
yeah.
I gotta look exactly. But I'm pretty sure it's on the strip this year because if you go outside of South Beach, it's cheap as hell to stay. But all the South, Bitcoin Miami, the South Beach,
Mhm.
rentals, the hotels and shit, were twice the price they are now to go. So
Oh.
I'm assuming it's probably in South Beach.
Okay.
That ETH long might be coming back right now. Ooh, it's coming down a little hard.
Might be getting a little bit of a pullback.
Yeah, it's definitely getting a pullback. I can tell you that.
Yeah, but I like how it's back over the 1020 EMA though. We're going green still.
We're trying to hold. We're trying to hold it for sure.
Evan, how are your trades looking?
So let's see, on ETH, I'm up $7. On Avalanche, I'm up $22.
Okay.
Let's go.
So yeah, I'm just planning just holding these for the next half hour. I don't see any reason to close them just yet. But
Okay.
ETH, yeah, hopefully a healthy pullback. I mean, it's hitting the high right here. I mean, a little bit of a double top. But if we look at there's a slightly concerning on the 1 minute, but But it's still looking pretty good on like the the 10-minute. That looks pretty good. There's a lot of continuation signs. Just the 1 minute is a little questionable right now. But I mean, price
When
never
in doubt,
goes.
zoom out.
Zoom out.
When in doubt, zoom out. Go from the 1 minute to the 10 to the 15 to the 30. Feel better.
Yeah. I think we could just break up from this kind of formation right here. I mean, if we break up from this formation, you could easily get up to 22.43. So yeah, I'm not too worried yet.
We got 100 people in here. Smash those likes. Let's get 100 likes. Let's go. We only got 47 likes, guys. We can do better than that. Come on. Smash those likes.
If you're on mobile, just X out of the live chat. Smash the like. Come right back in. We got you.
Oh, man. Big.
What's
is dropping like the Titanic right now.
Oh, yeah? That means, well, did you get out of that trade, though, Crusader?
Oh, yeah. I got out of my short a long time ago. I got out with 2% profit. And then it's been pumping since then. Now it's coming back down. It's under the VWAP right now in the 1 minute.
Chat, who's going to be in Miami? Drop a hell yeah in the chat if you're going to be in Miami. We'll make sure to run into some people, have some fun.
Drop in the chat if you want to get on Flipping Hot and win some money.
That's a fact. That is a fact. $2,900 the next time we play is on the line. Crypto Dom said, love the stream, guys. Really like the format. Crypto Dom wanted to tell you we're open to suggestions. So chat, you guys can throw it out there. Contestants, you can throw it out there. We want to add to some of the gamification on the stream. Just throwing it out there. If you guys, have any solid ideas that you think would spice it up on top of obviously, just the fact that you guys are awesome at trading. Other than that, let us know. We're open to suggestions.
Is Magic, are you long or you're short in Bitcoin, right? You're short in Bitcoin?
Short. Yeah, I'm short from 41,925. So
nice. Yeah,
it's
maybe
fucking with my position a little bit. I had my first take profit at 41,727, so kind of missed that one by a solid $100.
You said you missed it by $100?
Yeah, but I'm not too worried about it.
I think it's still gonna go like this. We're forming kind of a little mini Head and Shoulders on the 3 minute.
A herp and derp, I think, is what I heard someone call it the other day.
A herp and derp?
Yeah, I think that's an Eric Crown quote, if I recall.
A herp and derp.
Yeah, I prefer that because the Head and Shoulders is actually statistically the least reliable pattern in all of crypto. So
yeah, I never play that. Every time I hear people talking about that, I'm like, bro, that's the gamble. A Head and Shoulders is the gambling of the chart.
Reverse Head and Shoulders is so much better.
I'll take the reverse over the actual Head and Shoulders. You know how many times I've seen a Head and Shoulders break out to the upside?
Yeah.
Well, anything Head and Shoulders is bullish. Reverse Head and Shoulders are regular shoulders, so it's always bullish.
Everybody's like, "Oh, am I buying?" You do what you want to do, man.
I was talking to like some hedge fund guy who was older, and he like asked me, what do you look at? And I was like mentioning all this stuff, and I happened to mention Head and Shoulders. He's like, "Are you serious? Head and Shoulders after all these years?" That's the best you could come up with.
Can you just point him to Peter Brandt and be like, "Nah, man, I'm just following the old school dogs like you." He's always posting Head and Shoulders, but he trades bar patterns on like the daily to weekly time frame, so a little different.
Yeah, but what's nice now is when you get into a bull run, is you can start trading the short terms, the 1, the 5s, the 10s, and you can still make a decent amount of money.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to trade when everything's going up. It's like 10 times easier. Like anyone who doesn't know what the hell they're doing could make money usually.
That's the thing, is making money in a bull market's easy. Keeping it is the hard part afterwards.
Yeah, because people don't know when the bull run ends, and they keep betting for everything to go up when it just keeps going the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Bunch of headlines coming out today talking about potentially over $100,000 Bitcoin before the end of 2024.
I don't think we're going to see that. Not this bull run. There's still too much mining going on still.
I remember the COVID crash, so I'm not gonna say anything can't happen like overnight, but
Fact.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I mean, there's things already, you know, spurring up in that department.
I think if we're going to get that high, it's going to be towards the end of 2025.
Yeah, it's six figures is more maybe 2 years out. I think if you want me to be completely honest, I think 2024 we're going to revisit all-time highs, and I still think we're going to have trouble trying to break above them in any significant stance, right? I don't even see an 85, 90K Bitcoin. Like, I feel like we'll probably test like 75 again and maybe like a 5,500 on ETH, but I don't think it's going to be going to be like what people think. I think it's going to take all of next year to push towards those numbers.
I think 100,000 is tough.
You think you will hit those numbers next year, or are you talking about 2025?
No, I'm talking like what I think next year. I think eventually Bitcoin will retest all-time highs and maybe 5 to 10 grand max above previous all-time high. And then I think ETH would maybe be about 500 to 1,000 max above the last all-time high. So like a 5,500 ETH I could see, and like a 75K, maybe 80K Bitcoin. But I think it's going to take all of this coming year, 2024, to reach that potential. I feel like we're going to go through a great cycle, May, June, July. That's when crypto always pumps. Summer's dead. And then next year, I think this time, November, December, we'll really start seeing breaking over all-time highs. Unless some crazy shit happens, but as of right now,
ETF is the only thing that can propel us over the all-time high next year before the halving. Which, I mean, we're pretty close. We're at 40-something thousand. We're obviously running the hype of, you know, the Santa rally, the ETF possible approval. That's getting kind of baked in. But if the ETF approval actually happens the way they're talking about, and institutional money actually flows in, right, to long Bitcoin, that's what I think can propel us over the all-time high before the halving, or, you know, during the halving time in 2024, which we don't normally see that. And then, you know, propel us into a potential super cycle. If it doesn't happen,
I think the only way you have to have two factors, though. You have to have interest rates decreasing at the same time as the ETF news coming up.
They're talking about it. They're already talking about 2024 federal rate cuts.
March.
Yeah, you know, so
which lines up with the halving, right? March, April time frame.
Because the last two meetings they paused it. You know, they haven't lowered it, but it has been paused. So that's usually the sign of a dovish landing. So, you know, if we can get back down under a 4% interest rate before the happening, then I could see a pretty big moon when something happens. But we still got to forget, money is not being printed for us anymore, and interest rates are ridiculously fucking high. So those factors still fall into the financial market, unfortunately.
That's a really good point. Hey, check this idea out, Crusader. Trash my trade. We submit losing trades, and the TA guy tells us why it sucked.
I'm down.
We can run a whole show with just my trades on that.
Magic said, "I'm down."
Yeah, you submit your picture too. I'll roast you at the same time.
Oh my god! Trash this trader. Yeah, there'd be a headshot, and then the trade next to you, and then you can trash the whole thing. That's great. That's a really good idea.
I'm down with that. That'd be fun.
Yeah, we've thought up some ideas for potentially season 3 or season 4, starting next year, to maybe switch it up from, instead of team based, to just a free for all, just a 1v1, like a 16 or 10 trader bracket, and only one trader wins instead of the team. And that way we have multiple shows. Everybody's time commitment doesn't have to be as large. It's just, hey, if you lose, you're out, your time commitment's over, and then you just continue on as you win. We're thinking about trying out that format. We're talking about some levels of gamification to boost P&Ls, right? Like, hey, I'm going to give you an asset. I'm going to give you which direction I want you to take the trade, whether it's long or short, and maybe potentially for an extra boost, I'll give you how much leverage you need to use. And if you can make it profitable, you get a massive P&L boost. So if you're down in the ranks, then you do something crazy like that, and you can pull it off, you get a big boost, and then you can come back up in the ranks. So we're thinking about a lot of different things.
Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff going on. Crypto Dom, this is exactly what I was thinking of, like a March Madness format. it is less of a time commitment for each of the traders, except for the person that continues to win. But even them will still only be probably once a week, depending on the amount of people that
at most, maybe once
format.
every 2 weeks at the beginning.
Yeah.
So just trade off screen then?
No, live on the show, 1v1 style, right? And then if you win, you just make it to the next round, and then we'll just announce the matchup.
Ah, okay.
And then whoever loses, like you're out of the tournament, so you no longer have a time commitment.
Check out Billy.
That'd
Check
be
out the
pretty
Screen
cool.
Crusader. Can you see what Billy said?
Says, let's not wait. Have Magic start right now with your trades, Miguel. Yeah, I'm sure I can get a lot of that with my trades.
Lee Kalafi. Hey, Lee, send us a message on Twitter. We wanted to ask you something, by the way. I got your $10 super chat. I'll put you on the wheel, but send us a message on Twitter.
Or you can just jump into our Discord and comment.
Oh yeah, that would be yeah.
There's a lot of people jumping into our Discord right now. Alex O Crypto and a few other people have been jumping in today.
Trading.
So make sure you jump in there. It's the best way to communicate as quickly as possible. Iconic throwing in a $10
Canadian. Yeah. Thank you, Iconic Nick. Got you, brother. Thank you for the super chat. Remember, guys, every dollar that you put in, put your name on the wheel once. It's up to $2,900.
Bro,
yeah,
you want to know something crazy?
Jump into our Discord. Here's the code. I'll pull up the QR code for him real quick because they said they were working earlier.
I think Billy's dropping it in the chat too.
Oh, Billy's dropping it in the chat. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks, Billy. Appreciate it, bro.
Savage, dude. You want to hear something crazy? We've got.
Why does Billy not have a wrench?
He does.
Huh?
He does. I'm seeing it right now.
Oh, I don't see his wrench. Interesting.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
go ahead.
Because you're looking at it through Restream. You got to see it through.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Oh yeah, hey, can I talk about Dave Digital's that Billy Goat Tales? That's Crypto Billy's 30-week chapter thing that he's doing on X Spaces.
Oh yes.
He was telling Billy was telling me about
that's
that.
tonight. That's tonight. So yeah, if you guys
was it on Tuesdays?
Yeah, it's on Tuesday nights at 9 Eastern Standard Time. So
today's Monday, so
Today's
generally
Monday.
you'd be a day early.
Tonight.
You might be waiting
Not
in the
tonight.
waiting room for a
Tomorrow.
while.
Yeah, tomorrow. Sorry, Tuesdays 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Army,
so.
you might be in the military, but that's a tad bit earlier than we usually show up. 15
I'm
minutes,
operating on
30
Zulu
minutes, okay?
here, man.
But a whole freaking day is a little early.
When you're retired, the days run together, keeper.
I'll bet they do. I wouldn't know. However, I'll bet they do. I look forward to the days running together. That is for sure something I look forward to. All right. So let's go around the horn here real quick. Army.
Yeah, I never told you what was crazy.
Oh,
we got 120 people in here. We only got 57 likes.
Good gracious. You got to beg people for likes anymore. It's the free thing you can do to support the channel, and you got to beg people to do it.
Y'all better fix that.
We got more super chats coming in than we do likes.
Y'all better get right. Y'all better get right with keeper.
That's right. You better get right. Let's go around the horn. See, Army, you profitable or not right now? How are we looking?
Yeah, yes and no. I'm profitable on the 2 trades that I have. I was not profitable on the one that I slid in between there, and closed it out at a stop loss. So
how unprofitable was it? Was it ugly?
It was like down $50. So I'm almost back at break even here.
Almost back at break even. Okay.
Yeah,
Magic.
I went a little heavy on an AVAX trade. So
I went against you. Magic, how's it looking for you?
We're sitting on the trade is like 3% in profit, but we haven't collected any of it. So this is all kind of just, fictitious profits that could go either way. Who knows?
Some unrealized waiting. Bullish, what about you?
Dead even. I'm fluctuating between green and red, like 0.5%, 0%.
Okay. Cool. And Evan?
I'm down $3 at the moment.
Dude, it's over for you. I mean,
now it's down $9.
How are you going to pay your rent, bro? Down.
Come on, guys. We need to lock in them green trades to shout out.
I think you should all slide up the leverage. Heavy.
Yeah, don't listen to him. All slide the leverage. I've cut his team enough slack. But
everybody slide up that leverage to like 150. Find out what happens. It's the last day, for Team Crusader.
It is the last trade. It is the last day. It's
go big or go home. I mean,
No. We're up right now by 2%. We just need to get some green trades and lock in those profits, and we're solid. Ain't no way Team Keeper is going to come back.
All this conservatism. I'll tell you what. All right, that's fine. Team Keeper is going to have to go probably 150x because of
That's right.
a couple trades off screen that went against the team. So.
Knuckleheads.
Oh, you know what? The good thing is though, I didn't think about that. It's not going to go against our P&L because it was off.
Oh, I don't know, man. I think if you lose the account, there's got to be some kind of
there's got to be some default amount percent that you lose if you liquidate.
I just hand them off my account and they can trade with that. You know,
you got 2 liquidated players and you only got 1 account to just hand off.
I don't know if you guys said
one of my teammates, somebody that is on my team, has a personal family thing going on that they can't miss. Absolutely can't miss.
That's right.
So
you're also down another player.
Wednesday might be a little bit lonely. So, gentlemen, if you guys want to come in and hang out and trade, come on.
Just rub in the win, guys. Go in there. We're like, we already won this thing.
We'll 100x one trade on Wednesday. Promise you.
I'll
try to bait your team into doing it.
I'll be drunk by then. I'm riding first class, so I'm getting all my free drinks in that I can. So
don't do it.
I might be able to come Wednesday. I'll bring my laptop.
Where are you going? Are you coming down to Miami, Army?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to Daytona for a week.
I was gonna say I didn't think you was.
for a week. No.
Oh, okay.
No.
I thought you were talking about Bullish.
Yeah. No, I know Bullish is gonna be there. I didn't know when Army
I want to
said
meet
he
up
was...
with a bunch of military friends that we haven't seen in forever. We're gonna go invade.
Oh, it's gonna be fun. Oh, dude.
Oh boy, yeah. So Bitcoin.
Told you boys to take that profit and go home.
Double top, man.
Looks like those percentages are looking beautiful towards my team. You know what I mean?
I know. If we're down,
Honest is going to come on Wednesday by himself and wreck your whole team. By himself.
Assuming he's got money by the time he shows up Wednesday.
Oh, that's a good point.
Is he the other
one? The only person that I have to come. Oh my God, this is all bad.
Wait, so if I come on Wednesday, it still counts, right? So we get an extra for the keeper. I'll come on Wednesday. I'll make sure. I'll bring my laptop. I'll bring some shit I can set up so I can stream.
All right, dope.
Team Crusader holding the show up because Team Keepers literally just imploded multiple times this season.
You know,
at least nobody on the Crusader.
Oh, you know what? No. That's not. AJ will be there.
Will he?
AJ will be there. Yep.
I don't know if you guys remember, but last season I got.
So Alex is going to take, or AJ is going to take your whole. AJ is going to take your whole team. There we go.
I managed to snap the old liquidation face last season. We should get a liquidation face for the other two as well. And these could be like posters for you guys for every season.
Wanted posters of liquidation.
Wanted for liquidation.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Crypto Gamer wants to know who got liquidated. Well, you know what? I'll go ahead and tell you. Crow got liquidated, and I'll tell you how he did it. He was in a trade and got busy doing something, forgot that he was in said trade with no stop loss, and wah. And Honest was way up on a couple trades and continued to drink and trade. Not a good thing to do. Okay. Not a good thing to do. And went a little too heavy and a little too confident. Got a little bit of beer muscles on the charts and found out that the charts won. That's basically
they always win.
The charts won. Beer 0, charts 1. Yes, that's exactly what happened.
Bitcoin dropping. I think might have a little reverse here.
Alex said your short is working out now, or Magic.
Yeah, it is, but it's front running my TP at the 5-minute 55, but everything's crossing over to the downside, so we'll see if I get it by the end of the show.
Okay. We got about 10 minutes. Let me shout out our sponsors real quick since I forgot it's a 30-minute spot. Market Cipher, 20% off. Link down below if you're interested in checking that out. Don't be stupid. Check out HiQ. Check out High IQ, since I don't have the IQ to even say it correctly. That's fantastic. And then ZoomX. Shout out to our partner ZoomX. Thank you for all the liquidity for the traders that they are, having lots of fun and putting to good use.
This season, after we do the final totals, I am gonna log back into this account and like 150 exit. So maybe we'll do it. Maybe we'll do it live for everyone to watch.
That'll be fun.
You guys can.
Do they let you? Do you keep the 1,000 you start with, or just your profit?
Just your
for like a day.
Just your profits for like a day.
Once the competition's over, they'll pull the 1,000. But you might as well just you might as well just
you
burn
get to
it.
keep whatever profit you make.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep some of these trades in. I might go crazy right after this. There's one trade I like, BNB long.
Are you still in that ETH short, or you got?
I'm in the ETH long, yeah, in the red, but it's not that bad in the red. I'm like down $20 total.
Jimmy Bitcoin says liquidation face calendar. Do it.
That would be great.
That is great,
funny.
dude. By the end of the year, we'll have.
We got three.
We'll
take more to go.
We'll take their birthday months and slap their liquidation face on there. It's a great idea.
So I moved the stop up because I was trying to limit out to 41,788.6, and it went down to 41,788.7.
So you missed it by 10 cents.
ZoomX is hunting. Yeah.
Oh, we're fighting back.
Wow.
We're pumping up a little bit.
Yeah.
Come on.
It does feel like it sometimes, like the exchanges actually hunt your stops and take profits, because it feels like it. I'm not saying they are. I'm saying it feels like it because there's been so many times where you put them in and it literally just goes down and it taps right there. And it's like, thank you. And then back to the races.
Well, I moved it
Well,
up,
remember,
so I better get out of the trade if we're going to end the show in 10 minutes. So, there we go. All right.
Oh,
remember your stop loss. Remember your stop loss entry is down as an order on the order book. So, like,
yeah, right. They can see it. I get it. I do.
I don't buy into the narrative that exchanges really trade against you in that regard. It doesn't really show up in the order flow. But there's a lot of people out there that say things like whales and this and that and manipulation, and that's all just a giant crock.
It's just
of shit.
a bunch of excuses for not being as good at trading as they want to believe they are.
Anything in the financial market is manipulated. You just got to learn how to trade around it.
Yeah,
so
you're manipulating the market right now when you order.
Yeah,
when you put in orders.
Yeah. Technically, everybody's a market manipulator. Some people just have more money than you do.
Yeah,
there were a lot of people who went long at like 69K that were complaining it was manipulation.
Manipulated down, bro.
I remember there was one YouTuber. I'm not gonna say who it was. There was one YouTuber. It was like, it was all Elon's fault. I went long at 69K, got liquidated.
It was all Elon's
fault. Oh yeah. I actually had a planted short at 69,420 on Bybit. It didn't get there. It was going to be the meme short of the year, but yeah,
that would have been
massive, dude.
Well, especially
I
with some
think the high was like 69,187 or something. So
especially with some leverage on it, that would have been
ooh-wee. I mean, that whole zone between like 64 and 70 was definitely going to be the top. I mean,
hey, we always want to educate real quick, gentlemen. What's the difference when the 200 crosses the 50 versus the 50 crossing the 200? Dougie wants someone to explain. Who wants to hit it?
What is it? Golden Cross versus Death Cross, I think, right?
Yeah, it's a golden versus death.
Okay, and we got to give them more than that.
Goldens are usually a bullish indicator, right? The price rises up sometimes. The Death Cross is the thing that everybody's afraid of. When the bigger one crosses a lower one on the way down, it pushes price down. But
yeah, if you watch the,
it's usually already played out by the time it happens.
By the time you see it, everybody already knows it's happening. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Well, a lot of times too, you can get on the chart as an indicator. 9 times out of 10, when the death cross is usually forming, you'll have a gravestone doji candle forming too. So it's a pretty, and a lot of times when you have a golden cross forming, you have a hammer candle forming prior to the golden cross.
So there's other clues there.
Yeah.
A lot of times. I like this comment by Dave Digital. He said, if you place an order, you should expect that order to get filled. If you don't want your order filled, don't place it. You wouldn't do that at Taco Bell, would you? Touche. Touche, Dave. Shout out to Dave.
I would not order at Taco Bell. You are correct.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. It is once in a great while, a nice little snack, but
when you're on like a cleanse or something.
Not yeah, right.
Yeah, cleanse.
I know all about that. Yeah, for sure.
Right before you fast, that's what you do, you know.
Yeah, that's right after you fast. You might as well just ruin yourself. That'd be awful.
Oh,
Ugh.
good lord. Yeah, that would be ugly. Crypto fam, smash the likes. We got about 100
break
people
it
in
down,
here.
finally.
Bitcoin taking a nosedive.
I should have just held on to it, but
Oh, you were already out of it?
yeah, because we're getting to the close of the end of the show, and I don't hold trades outside the show or anything. So
So what are you at then? So
I marketed out the rest of that position, so we made a whopping $4.88 today.
So you're 963.88.
Yeah, that's it. You nailed it.
Let's go, baby. Profitable trade. That's what I'm talking about.
But we'll be on Wednesday. We'll turn that around. We'll see if we can't,
turn that into 900.
We'll either lose it all or we'll make it all. One of the two.
Yeah, I might just go an all-in fucking 100x trade on Wednesday.
Just push your chips in.
Wait, hold on. Don't do this.
This is
because
fantastic.
I want to win this season.
Yeah, we're trying to win.
Fantastic. This is a great idea.
I mean,
Everybody come in and 100x your account.
what we'll do is
the whole thing.
we'll both pick an
entire
asset.
team's not trading, and then my team's gonna come in 100x everything. And
As long as someone on your how many is Honest on our team or is he on Keepers?
He's
he
on
got
mine.
traded.
He got traded.
Thank God, dude. He got liquidated. Perfect trading time.
All right. Well, I was gonna say what we could do is since they've got two liquidated traders, we'll both pick a long or a short, and one of us will go long, one of us will go short, 100x. So if that way, when one of us gets liquidated, it's only one.
I'm down.
That's not a bad idea. That's a good idea.
Unless we get a big scam candle, a big scam wick candle, and it flashes up and then drops right back down and it smacks both of you right in the face.
Darth Maul. Yeah, that happens.
Darth Maul. That's what it's called. Yeah, the Darth Maul.
I'll just play with the free money they give us. I'll keep my profits in there just in case.
Definitely. I don't have much in there. I think there's only like $100 or $200 in profit in the funding account right now. So,
yeah, there's definitely something about this timeline because I'm sitting here watching this candle pattern here, this cluster. Oh, here, let me pull it over there for you. Well, you can see it there. Like we're just riding on top of the dynamic reactor here, just even across, sideways, all this movement, and then as soon as I enter the trade, it's just, hey, we're just going to ride across the dynamic reactor here for the next 40 minutes.
How are your trades doing? You still profitable?
No.
All your trades
one trade, yeah, all of them went around except for my Solana, which is up $5 right now. So, yeah, it's I know. I'm telling you, man. Like I'm telling you, I went into this trade, and we have literally just set in this little block.
Dave Digital said, new rules: only Bitcoin and ETH trades, and this will force traders to use higher leverage. It's more fun to watch 100x plus leverage trades.
That's not a bad condition.
To set a minimum leverage.
No. To set Bitcoin and ETH only. Keep it simple, right? So that way you don't spend too much time looking for a bunch of different trades, and then just Bitcoin and ETH, and then just have to high leverage it because you only got $1,000 to make some decent profit.
Yeah, but I mean, you've got Captain Conservative in Magic over there. That's just going to sit there and pick his favorite spot. He doesn't have to use high leverage. He ends up winning. You know what I mean? Either
What's wrong with being a Captain Conservative, man?
There's nothing wrong with it. You've done great. You've done great with it. I'm just trying to get you out of missionary trading.
Belly to belly is good, bro.
I want to see you get wild on a trade. I want to see how what you look like with 100.
Well, let's bring the drinking condition into that same episode.
You guys would have to do an evening one. I can't
fired up
today.
What was that?
You guys do an evening one, I'd be down, but a daytime one probably not because
I thought you said you had to drink it in the morning.
Well, I mean, I'd have to nap the rest of the day. I'm old now, man. I can't start drinking before like 5 o'clock.
All right, gents.
2-3 shots.
Tell me what your numbers are at. Army, what are you at?
We're gonna close this out.
Well, I mean, you can keep it open if you want.
You can keep it open if you want. You can just tell us the account.
I'm at 933.05.
Okay.
02. Let's not
Bullish.
forget that 2/10,000th of a penny there.
That counts.
1795.
Okay. And Evan.
I'm at
Lost $9.
976.
Dude, you lost $1 today?
Yeah, I lost it. 977 right now. 977 right now.
Nope.
Hey,
too
we're
late.
breaking. We're flat.
Oh, 979.
You lost
979.
$1. You lost $1 too late.
I'm back up to 1800. I'm back up to 1800.
Oh my god. Oh, Crypto fam, we love you guys. Just as a reminder, Wednesday is going to be Team Keeper and it sounds like Team Crusader coming on to trade as opposed to Thursday for the final episode of this season.
It's going to be a quarter of your team. And
It's going to be half. AJ and Honest.
Yeah, counting the. Yeah, sure. I'm not going to say what I was going to say.
I'm back to break even. Does that count?
No, it does not.
Cheaper penny pinching, bro. He's gonna get every penny. He's like, nah, man, that's it. It's over.
No, Billy already said great show, guys. That was the cutoff. So you good job. You did, thankfully for you though, Bullish. You only lost like what, $19? So
Yeah, I was down like 33 for a minute.
Alex O Crypto said, "Good work, friends. Love the show. Hey, we love you guys. Thank you all for being here again. Wednesday instead of Thursday. And if you are, make sure that you guys are here. Hopefully we can pick the next person for the next episode of Flipper Hodl. We plan on trying to do that live from Miami. We'll do that from the Mansion down in Miami. Looking forward to that. So yeah, Crusader, we got anything else? Buy our NFTs.
No, not much. Just if you want to get the NFTs, check out the QR code thing. Try to win 25% of the mint. And get whatever the winning traders' benefits are from that. And outside of that, season 2 of Trading Wars is closing out this week, and then we're going to come back for season 3. Whether it's going to be following up here in this month of December, or we might postpone to January. We'll keep you guys updated.
Yeah,
but big changes coming in for season 3 for sure. So get ready for that. And Flipping Hodl, baby, win that $2,900.
$2,900. What?
My order had not closed, I guess, that I had in there, so it's closed now. You can look on my screen.
No, you're good. It was just the 4 o'clock cutoff, so maybe you made some money, maybe you lost some more money. I'm gonna leave
it's 976.63, but I guess my limit order had not closed yet.
Well, that's good for you. It went in the other direction. It's bad. It's actually good for me though because you checked out at 9:33. So
yeah. If you had asked me last.
All right, Crypto fam, we love you guys. Just remember, question everything,
trust nothing,
and until next time, hodl
like it's hot.
We'll see you soon.